Hoka, hey, la la la, we're on live. How you doing, people? Can you tell me how to get to Nana BOOZHOO? How to do a live stream show? Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today we're going live. I just found out, you know what I found out, sweetie?
What's that?
We're only 50 subscribers or 54 subscribers away from being able to start making some money on this channel. We've been doing the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast for quite a while now. And it's been really fun, hasn't it, sweetie?
Oh, I love doing it.
Yeah, but you can't make any money on YouTube until you get, people watching. So, I mean, we got enough people that we have a little community here, but we need 54 more subscribers, and then, we can monetize. So I don't know. Maybe I should talk to the people rather than over here all the time.
Well, but nobody's watching.
Yeah, I know. So today's Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What should be the Ojibwe word of the day?
I don't know. What should be the Ojibwe word?
Good morning. Mino Gigajeb. Good morning. It's 6:48 a.m. And if we had any real viewers, you know what we could do? Maybe we should start live streaming every morning. And eventually this will become like a morning radio show. When people are, driving to work, they can click on YouTube, and while they're driving, they can watch us and go, "Oh, look at that! I'm learning Ojibwe as I drive to work." That's pretty safe, right? So let's see, what should we talk about? Have you seen her? So bad to do. Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning. In Ojibwe Moan. Ojibwe Moan is Ojibwe language in Ojibwe Moan. Sometimes they'll call it Anishinaabe Moan. But the fluent Ojibwe speakers I've known, they just say the language. Well, this is how you say it in the language. Oh, the English language? No, the language, Ojibwe. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're in Ojibwe language and culture podcast. And some people ask, well, how did this all start? How did you guys start, teaching Ojibwe language on the internets? Well, it all started actually with Michael Lyons. He was a cartoonist, I guess. And he wrote some books. I don't know if I can find it here. Like Snow on Skin. Like Snow on Skin. If you become a Patreon supporter, you can get a copy of that. And it's some quick Ojibwe language references. So, all right, what do I want to talk about? What can I talk about today? One person's watching. Hey, bonjour, Niji. Or maybe I'm the only one watching. All right. So, Mino Gigajub, good morning. And let's see how this looks. And maybe we'll come back. You have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa. Catch a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin. Me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service. Well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I'm not sleeping, you know, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues come following down. Loving is a gamble, baby, loving's much the same. Wherever I have played, wherever I've thrown them dice, wherever I have played, the blues have run the game. All right. And then the tricky part is closing out of this thing. How do we stop? End stream. Here we go. Are you sure you want to end the stream? Yes.